It's raining, but the series must continue. We take a 2-hour bus ride to visit Jadelle and her girlfriend BJ in Dasmariñas City. Gloomy as Cavite skies may be, there's really nothing safer than the indoors.
May jowa Belitech!
My name is Jadelle Baligad, so okay lang kahit Jods na lang. And I'm 21, pronouns she, her.
Jadelle started off with different labels, and for the longest time, bisexual was what made her comfortable. Her understanding of herself developed and changed, leading her to identify who she is now.
Mali yung label ko sa sarili ko na bisexual ako. Mas comfortable ako dun sa I'm a lesbian. Sabi ko parang bisexual ako, ganun. Kasi parang sometimes I find men attractive, pero not like sexually. Oh, gwapo siya, okay, ganun. Pero, like, gusto ko ba siyang jowa? No. Babae? Okay. Nag-out nga ako sa bunsong kapatid. Sabi ko, may crush ako, babae. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, tomboy ako, yun pa yung sabi ko. Sabi niya, tapos, ano gusto mo gawin ko? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, mas magugulat ako pag may boyfriend ka. Tapos, ayun. Yun nga, yung mga laro ko dati, pogs. Tapos pellet gun, na gano'n. Tapos close pa ako sa bata kong kapatid na lalaki, pati sa kuya ko. Mostly pinalaki ako ng tatay ko. Halos walang babae. Akong nakasamang to grow up. So, hindi ako marunong magtali ng buhok, gano'n. So, parang nakalakihan ko yung masculine na environment. Lately lang din naman kasi kami naging close ni ate. Kaya, ngayon pa lang ako natututo dun sa feminine side ko kasi mas naano ko sa masculine na side. Kaya para sa akin, mas prefer ko na i-represent yung sarili ko as masculine.
To her, being a masculine-presenting lesbian didn't get in the way of identifying herself with the term bakla. If anything, her boyish presentation led her to be uncomfortable with a different term.
I don't like the term tomboy kung tutusin. Kasi personal experience, nakaranas ako. Hindi, siguro bullying yun na meron parang kabatch. Ibang section na grade 5, grade 4 ata ako nun. Na inaasar niya ako like, kasi very boyish na ako nung bata pa lang ako eh. Nag-aral pa ako sa Catholic school, so bugs. Madaming religious. Tapos meron pa doon isang lalaki na lumalapit siya sa akin. Sabi niya, tomboy ka ba? Tomboy ka ba? Doon alam ko sa sarili kong tomboy ako or bakla ako. Pero ayoko lang yung word na yun kasi parang ginamit niya yun to harass me. So mas prefer ko yung term na bakla ako. You don't have to label yourself. Basta alam mo kung sino ka, alam mo kung ano yung nararamdaman mo deep inside, that's okay. Doon sa mga nagsasabi na you have a choice of being, pag bakla ka, you have a choice. No, you don't have a choice. Yun yung hindi naiintindihan ng karamihan na sabi nila, hindi, choice mo yan. Yung pagiging transgender, choice mo yan. No. It's never your choice. Hindi naman ako ganun pinalaki. Ganun na talaga ako, for me. Kasi hindi naman ako pinalaking bakla ng magulang ko. It just happens na naging bakla talaga ako. Try build up the courage to go to that path kung saan ka magiging masaya and be happy with yourself. Na hindi mo kailangan pahirapan sa sarili mo para mag-fit in sa ibang tao na sinasabi nila yun yung normal.
Bakla can empower people. And for Jadelle, it fills in what she could have felt with the term tomboy. After the bullying, bakla can become the source of comfort. A word of comfort, at least for some people.